keeping a close eye on high tide at the Jersey Shore. That's going to happen tonight into tomorrow morning, and it could cause some real problems with street flooding and beach erosion.
I'm Ted Greenberg in Sea Isle City. Here at the Jersey Shore, the problem isn't white stuff. It is wind and lots of water. Take a look at what we're seeing here. This is right around the time of high tide at the Jersey Shore in Sea Isle City. Come back over to here this way, Rich, and you see this water right here is basically streaming out of the back bay back there. It is rushing down the street and out here onto Central Avenue. We're at 49th and Central in Sea Isle City. High tide right now, the first of 3 high tides of concern here at the Jersey Shore. We have this one right now. We have the one this evening. And then again, tomorrow morning. You can see that the wind is gusting as well. Wind gusts possible over 50 miles an hour here at the Jersey Shore. And beach erosion a concern too. I was out at the beach in Ocean City earlier today and just saw the very rough ocean tearing away parts of the sand, what was left of sand dunes just being eaten up and taken out to sea. So again, 3 high tides of concern. That's the biggest worry here at the shore. This high water. We've got it now already this morning at high tide. And again, another high tide of concern tonight and again tomorrow morning. I'm Ted Greenberg in Sea Isle City, NBC10 News.
The lineup is streaming now on the free NBC10 app on Roku and Apple TV. Download the app today to watch.